Elevate your BMW X3 F25, 2010 to 2017, maintenance game. Unleash the full potential of your BMW X3 F25 with our official workshop manual plus wiring diagrams. This factory repair service manual is your passport to mastering every inch of your vehicle, following the exact guidelines used by BMW's professional and authorized services. Key features. Models covered: BMW Series X3 F25, 2010 to 2017. Table of contents: yes, for easy navigation. Search option: yes, find any keyword instantly. Language: English. Wiring diagrams: yes, for comprehensive electrical insights. Specification Overview. Model years: 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017. Engines: petrol and diesel. Gearbox: automatic, manual. Language: English. Number of pages: 5791. Table of contents highlights. Accessories and equipment. Engine. Electrical systems. Body and frame. HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. DTC, diagnostic trouble codes. Brakes. Suspension. Wiring diagrams. Driveline axles. Transmission. More about the manual. Official specifications contains all official BMW manufacturer specifications and repair instructions. Search and navigate. Use the search option and table of contents to find information quickly. Universal compatibility. Compatible with Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, and all devices. Printable. Print any page or chapter whenever needed. Downloadable. Buy, pay, download, save, and use on your device instantly. Why choose our workshop manual? Be like a pro. Repair and maintain your car like the professionals. Complete factory manuals. Only here you get the most comprehensive factory manuals. Eco-friendly. Choose PDF over CD-ROM or printable versions to save the environment. Important information. Recoverable. Download and save the manual on every device. Print on demand. Print any page, chapter, or the whole manual whenever you need. Searchable and printable. Find and print any information instantly. Order now. Be in control of your BMW X3 F25's destiny. Order your official factory workshop service and repair manual now. Drive with confidence. Maintain with precision.